Alright guys, welcome to the Trucker John Show. I'm still sitting here at the TA truck stop in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. And I guess I'm going to go on home because I can't find any little short load to do that would take me back up towards Fulton. So I'm going to just go home and then either leave tomorrow night or Monday. We'll have to wait and see. I didn't get no text, so the load that I'm supposed to be picking up is not ready. Anyway, so we're just getting our day started here. We're going to roll out of here. It's after 3 o'clock already. There's nothing much else that's going to happen as far as loads go. Maybe the occasional odd loads here and there, but nothing that I'm going to be able to do. So, yeah, we're going to get going. Alright guys, we are rolling. Nothing going on that I can pick up, and just checked with the agent, and the load that's going up to Vermont will not be ready till Monday, so which it delivers Monday evening. That's fine, but we'll go on home, might as well. It's on the way. It's a little bit out of the way, but beats sitting here for a day and a half. Yeah, so it's now 3:40 in the afternoon, 51 degrees here in Harrisburg. Harrisburg. Actually, we're a little bit north of Harrisburg. I think this is still considered Harrisburg. That's what it says on the truck stop info. We're going to get headed home while it's still warm. Might be a little bit of snow at my house late tonight, so I want to get home before that. Then it's going to get cold, so hoping to get home while the roads are still dry. This way I don't get a bunch of water in my brakes, and then it gets cold tomorrow and they freeze up on me. So this is 81 north we're getting on right here. Yeah, so about 150 miles on 81 to the New York state line, and we'll be there just below Binghamton. No hurry, so we'll set the cruise here a couple of miles per hour below the speed limit so we can get some decent fuel mileage, and we are empty, so we should get definitely over 8 miles to the gallon, I would think. Oh, we got a pretty good headwind coming at us. Well, kind of more to the left side, but it's coming out of the northwest. And we're headed northeast right now. didn't do too much on the drone flight because it was pretty windy out. Kind of kept it low and just right over the area where I was at. Yeah, so we made a little circuit of the truck stop there. I just wanted to check out the drone anyway. I had to replace all the propellers and everything after yesterday's flight. I mean, the birds came after me, and then I came back to the truck, and I tried to recover it. I had my hand out the window, and I've been doing it wrong. You're supposed to actually put your hand out with your fingers spread and hover the drone over your hand like up a couple feet, and then put it into landing mode, and then it'll come down to your hand. What I've been doing is just lowering it without being in the landing mode, and then grabbing it, and then the drone's fighting me, trying to maintain its altitude and stuff. And yesterday that's what happened. It slipped out of my hand and it flipped over and went straight into the ground. Luckily, the only damage we had was the propellers. I had to replace all of them. So the drone came with a bunch of extra propellers, but now I better order some more in case I get into some more trouble. I only got 2 sets left, and it takes a set per motor. There's 4 motors. So, and there's 2 different propeller types on the drone. In other words, they're angled different. So opposite corners are the same on the drone motors, but so you need 2 different types of props. So now I only have 1 spare for each type. So I better order some more, because there's always something you might bang into, a branch or something, or a bird might hit your drone and break a propeller or something. So we started this week on New Year's Day in the late evening, and all we did was 2 loads to Conestoga. It's now Saturday, January 4th, 2020. And we did the 2 loads to Conestoga. Went out of my way to go back up towards Latham, New York, and got in position to pick up. And then, of course, as we know, they canceled the load that day that I was going to go over and pick it up. So then I got another one of these loads. That was the second Conestoga load. And the load I'm delivering Monday. So these 3 short loads actually pay more than the single load down to Alabama. So I guess, I don't know, it's working out all right, I guess. Quite a bit of traffic here on this 81 North. Actually, looks like we're coming to a slowdown up here, maybe. Take the cruise off. I see some brake lights up ahead. I don't know what's going on here. I think we just got some slow vehicles in the right lane, which is causing a plug up here. That's what it is. should be home by like 7:45 p.m. 240 miles to the house, so not too bad.
I wanna close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect sky now, it looks so gray and cold. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. Do you remember when we went to Paris in July? Got stuck out in the rain, but we danced around and didn't mind it. So young and reckless, baby, you and I fit just like a glove, but I guess that's over now. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. and you haven't said a word to me. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like when your heart is aching, when it bleeds? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over. We've been laying here since 4 a.m. Silent treatment, is this what it feels like? If it's over, just say it out loud. Say those words, go ahead, just shout it out. Just be honest, be a man right now. Say it's over, if it's over.
We are just coming into Binghamton, right here at the Spaghetti Junction area. We just got about 80 miles to home now. But I do appreciate you guys tuning in to the Trucker John Show. I hope you come back and see me tomorrow. I don't know if I'll have a video tomorrow, maybe. No, probably going to be at home all day tomorrow, so I'm not sure. Unless I do a drone flight or something. But other than that, we'll be back on Monday. Hit that thumbs up on the way out. Leave me a comment. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And we're going to see you next time. Take care, guys. Bye for now.